Hey guys, so if you can't tell, I rearranged my room. It already looks way better in the background of my video. Like, I'm already loving it. But I did film like a little snippets of me rearranging it so you guys could see how it looked like before and how it looks like after. I'm kind of like switching up the theme. You guys are gonna see a lot of DIYs. I'm kind of changing it. It was like a gold. I was trying to go for like a gold theme first. Now I'm kind of like going to like black and white. Like I painted my dresser and shelves that used to be gold, now they're black. But yeah, if you want to see how I rearranged my room as of right now, then just keep on watching. I was gonna do this in a separate video, but I probably still will, but I do want to talk about two new little features or little items that I have in my room, my pillows and my neon sign. I'll have the links down below. These pillows literally are so amazing. I think they're like $21. They may actually be less, but I got two white fur pillows for my bed. So I'll have the site listed down below. If you guys want to check out some faux fur pillows, I've literally been looking for pillows for years and I never really found any that I like. I'm gonna have a lot of other videos and stuff for like home decor and like good deals and stuff, but these, go get you some of these. I'll have the link down below. I also have some blue ones for my living room. Like I said, I am going to do another video, so I'll mention these again. I just wanted to mention them. And then another item that I'm obsessed with is my neon sign. I will link where I got it down below. I literally am obsessed with this. I've been wanting one for so long, but literally they can be so expensive. Ones that I found in the past were like $600, $700, and I was like, no thanks, like that's too much. So I found some that are way better priced and they look amazing. First of all, this is amazing. They have everything. Like, I want to get more, but yeah. This one was definitely under $200. So if you're someone that's been looking at signs for a long time like me, you definitely will feel like that's the best deal. So yeah, that's it for this video. As you guys can see, I kind of moved my bed to the center of the room and kind of set up my desk as like a vanity. So maybe I'll do videos of like makeup organization, DIYs and stuff. Just trying to get a lot more like creative and get more ideas. That's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!